Albatross. Explore Hiroshima Electric Railway's Ekimae Ohashi route and its old route.
Hiroshima Electric Railway Series. Hiroshima Electric Railway's Ekimae Ohashi route opened on August 3, 2025. I'm currently in a taxi heading to Hiroshima Station. Today, I'll introduce the old route before the Ekimae Ohashi route opened, and the new route.
Good morning.
I'm Albatross.
I am Jay.
First, let me explain the Ekimae Ohashi route. Please take a look at this map. The gray line is the old line. Stopping at Enkobashi-cho. Crossing Enko-gawa River at Kojin-bashi Bridge. Streetcars arrive at Inari-machi from Matoba-cho. The Ekimae Ohashi bridge route is indicated in red. Leaving Hiroshima Station. Crossing Enko-gawa River at Ekimae Ohashi Bridge. Streetcars arrive at Inari-machi. From Inari-machi, the main line heads west. Heading south from Inari-machi is the Minami Line, which heads towards Hiroshima Port. You can see the newly constructed safety zone at Inari-machi streetcar stop. This is a diamond crossing.
What's a diamond crossing?
I'll explain it later. I was heading to Hiroshima Station by taxi before the new line opened. You can see another new safety zone at Inari-machi Station.
I saw a new safety zone just now, didn't I?
I'll explain more about the new safety zones later, along with Diamond Crossing. The taxi will soon arrive at Hiroshima Station. This was the Hiroshima Station streetcar stop on the Hiroden Main Line. When the new line opens, this stop will be abolished and moved to the second floor of the Hiroshima Station building. This will probably be the last time I see this scene. The taxi will soon arrive at Hiroshima Station. When Minamore Hiroshima opened in March 2025, the taxi stand at the south exit of Hiroshima Station was reopened. Minamore Hiroshima is a commercial complex featuring a hotel, a cinema complex, and more. A diamond crossing means two tracks meet at 90-degree angle. There are only 4 diamond crossings in Japan. Yotetsu Railway in Ekimae, Tosa Railway in Kochi, Meitetsu Railway in Aichi, and Hiroden Railway in Hiroshima. Here I will introduce a video about the diamond crossing on Iatetsu's Takahama regular train line and Otemachi streetcar line.
Takahama 駅方面から電車が来ました。ダイヤモンドクロッシングを通るとき、ガタンゴトンと大きい音がします。警報機が鳴りやみません。遮断機も降りたままです。電車が2本止まっています。高浜方面行きの電車もダイヤモンドクロッシングを通るようです。
me about the safety zones at Inaramachi streetcar stop.
Before that, let's take a look at a video about the test run that took place before the new line opened. Since the new line's platform is located on the second floor of the Hiroshima Station building, test runs are often conducted climbing a steep gradient of 48 per mil.
48 per mil means that for every 1,000 meters traveled, the train rises 48 meters, right?
Exactly. Such test runs appear to be conducted with all of Hiroden's vehicles. I'm truly grateful to everyone involved in ensuring safe operation. Here is an explanation of the safety zones at Inaramachi stop. There are 4 safety zones at Inaramachi stop. Streetcars from downtown Hiroshima stop at this safety zone and heads towards Hiroshima Station. Streetcars from Hiroshima Station stop at this safety zone and heads downtown Hiroshima. Streetcars from Hiroshima Station bound for Hiroshima Port also stop here and heads towards Hiroshima Port. Streetcars from Hiroshima Port bound for Hiroshima Station stop in this safety zone. This safety zone was the Inaramachi stop from the old line and is no longer in use. However, once the new loop line opens, streetcars from Matobacho stop will stop here and heads downtown Hiroshima. I'm at Hiroshima Station streetcar stop after the new line opened. That's right, I'm on the second floor of the Hiroshima Station building. The streetcar bound for Hiroden Miyajimaguchi is about to depart. This streetcar will run on the Hiroden main line and enter the Miyajima line directly, all the way to Hiroden Miyajimaguchi Station. Sanfrec's girl mascot, Freche, is on the side of the car. And now the boy mascot, Sanche, is also there. The streetcar will now descend from the second floor platform onto the ground level track. Shortly after the old line was abolished, I took a taxi from Hiroshima Station to downtown Hiroshima via the old line. This is the former Enkobashicho stop.
It is really close to Hiroshima Station stop, isn't it?
It's only 200 meters away from Hiroshima Station streetcar stop. These tracks will soon be removed, paved over, and turned into a road. Let's check the current location on the map. We're around this area now. We'll soon turn right and cross Kojinbashi Bridge.
Ha, isn't it Enkobashi Bridge?
Enkobashi Bridge is a bridge located between Kojinbashi, which we will cross now, and Ekimae Ohashi Bridge. It was damaged during the Pacific War, but in 2016, it was restored to its original appearance in 1926. The taxi crosses Kojinbashi Bridge. After removing the tracks, the bridge could be used more widely. This would also reduce traffic congestion. We pass through Matoba intersection. Although it is not shown in this video, the Minami line joins from the left. You can see Matobacho stop. Enkobashi stop will be discontinued, but this stop is currently out of service. But it will be revived once the loop line opens.
In other words, we are running on the loop line.
That's right. This is the safety zone at Inarimachi stop on the old line. Like Matobacho stop, this safety zone is currently not in service. Streetcars bound for Hiroshima station at this safety zone. This streetcar stop has always been in operation and will continue to be. The taxi crossed Inari Ohashi Bridge and entered Naka Ward from Minami Ward. I'd like to introduce the current status of the former Hiroshima Station streetcar stop, which was located on the ground. The old Hiroshima Station streetcar stop, which once served as the gateway to Hiroshima City, is now completely gone and the land is being cleared. In this video, I introduced Hiroshima Electric Railway's Ekimae Ohashi route and the old line. Thank you for watching my video. That's it from Albatross and Jay. This channel mainly deals videos about travels using trains. If you like such topics, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.